Hello guys and welcome to another post market analysis of Bank Nifty. Today is October 30th of 2023 and this is today's price action of Bank Nifty in a 5-minute time frame. But as usual, let's start with our daily chart and let's talk from there. Okay, so this last candle, green candle that you are seeing here is today's price action of Bank Nifty. So as you clearly see that this entire price movement is in a downtrend. So this on a daily time frame, of a couple of days before, we have seen a breakout of this support area right there, and from there we are expecting Bank Nifty to come down. But also in one of our pre-market analysis video, we have said that the counter move is pending, a pullback is pending, and that is what is happening here. But if you see, the major trend is still towards the downside. That means market is still in towards the downside. This can be a counter a move against the downside moment. That is your upside moment. But it is very interesting to see where the market is going to reach, whether it is going to come towards this level and again retest the support area or coming back. But on a larger time frame, what we can see is this is a double top formation there with this support. Again, from there it has market has broken this level and it is on the way towards the downside. Okay, so that is in our daily chart. But let's come back to our 5 minutes time frame here. Let's come back to our 5 minutes time frame there, and this is our Bank Nifty's price action in 5 minutes time. So now this is Bank Nifty's price action in 5 minute time frame. As you can see that it is a very clear trending day after 10 o'clock, after 9:50 in the morning. But to start the day, Bank Nifty has started at this level, that is 42,700 levels, and from there we have seen a very clear rejection until this point right there. Here it has formed the first swing high at the when the market was at this level. That means that the market has clearly rejected, okay, from this bottom, which can now become your support area, a new support area there. And obviously before that, markets have very sharply started to move coming down from this zone. So at this point, we now know that Bank Nifty has created, at this point we now know that Bank Nifty have clearly given us two levels, that is this has resistance level and this has your support level. Now with this in mind, we'll just would have been waited to see what the price is going to do with these two levels. In this case, it has slowly approached this level at around 11:20 candle in 5 minutes time frame. But before that, if you notice, there was a couple of indications that, see, from here market has moved up, and there we have seen a bullish engulfing pattern there with a minor pullback, and again prices have gone up, and again prices have reacted from this level, and again from there, this at this stage. Okay, let me stop this indication right there. Okay, so at this stage, you know that the market has very clearly given us two swing highs. So that's your one first swing, sorry, swing lows. That's your first swing low, and this is your second swing low. Both are higher, so you have a two higher swing lows. Along with that, if that is the scenario, that means that your trend is towards the up direction, even though it is a counter trend. But it is this, the price action is clearly indicating that the prices are going, and along with this swing highs, we also have an indication that, which is this right here. This right here is almost a bullish engulfing pattern. Let me take this arrow now. Let me take this arrow there. Yeah, we talk. Let me zoom it a bit more so that you can see better. Yeah. So here you see this candle formation is almost a bullish engulfing pattern, but it is short of bullish engulfing pattern, which is called as a piercing pattern. We we have also we have also spoken about the opposite version of this in our in our candlestick pattern course, which is called a dark cloud cover. But we'll talk about this piercing pattern also in the future. So please make sure that you are tuned into our videos to know what is a piercing pattern. But here you have a piercing pattern, that is also an indication. But eventually market with this two swing lows, with this two higher swing lows, what we have seen is prices entering into this resistance zone. So this is the first candle right there at this is the first candle right there at 11:30, has given us an indication that it is breaking out of this resistance area. But as we always say, that whenever you see a breakout, you should always wait for the secondary candle confirmation. So in this case, even the secondary candle is a bullish candle which has closed above the previous candle's close. So here we have a proper confirmation of this breakout. In this case, you would have entered into a trade there, okay, with a stop loss just below this resistance area. And when you see towards the left, you don't have any major resistance area. I'm sorry, excuse me for that. So here on the left, you don't have any major resistance areas, until a couple of days back. So there is no issue for the prices to go further up. So in this case, this would have been your stop loss area just below this resistance area, and then you would have uh, kept your stop loss as it is, or you would have trailed your stop loss as the movement goes towards the upside direction. Okay, so now even we also have another indication, okay, that is this candle, which is a hammer, which is a proper hammer setup. We know that the hammer is a reversal setup, and that has come at this resistance level. And we have also seen a couple of confirmation, I mean, after the breakout, we have seen the confirmation candle. If you want, we can also check volume if you want. Yes. Yeah. So even here, this breakout candle, this is your breakout candle, right? So this breakout candle's volume is larger than your previous candle's volume. So even on a volume, you have a positive indication that the prices, that the breakout is a true breakout. So in this case, how many confirmations do we have? We have volume one, we have a confirmation candle, that is number two, we have a hammer after a pullback, that is three, okay, and we have a couple of higher swing lows. So we have one, two, three, four, and resistance area is five. So we have five reasons here, uh, five reasons that are towards, we have five odds in our favor, so that we can take this trade. And you would have raised your, when your uh, price hits 1:1 target, so that is your 1:1. So in this case, you would have, when the prices are here at this level, you would have got your stop loss to this hammer slow, you would have raised, or you can keep it till your cost to cost. In this case, you would have keep trailing your movement until the markets close. So whereas today the market has closed at almost 43,800. So your, from your entry, your movement, your complete movement would have been almost around 250 points. So 215 points in a bank nifty a day like this on a trending day, it's super good if you ask me. So let me take this volume down. So here in this case, you don't have to worry, you don't have to worry that, oh, I missed this entire moment. Okay, we would have not, I mean, would have made some profit if we would have entered there. So there is no need to worry. If you miss any of these moments, you always wait for the a clear price action with the maximum number of odds in your favor. Here, one is resistance area, second one is the breakout, a proper breakout, the third one is a hammer there, and fourth one is your swing high, swing lows, and fifth one is your volume. You have this many reasons to enter into this area, and from there you would have gone. You would have raised your stop loss to your cost to cost. Even in that case, your stop loss was never hit. So that was today's explanation. That was the today's dissection on our Bank Nifty's price action. Hope you have learned something out of this case study, and please do subscribe for more such valuable content. I thank you so much.